Homeowners, are you waiting for the perfect time to buy your replacement property? Here's the truth. The perfect time isn't in the future. The perfect time to buy is right now. Hi, I'm Julie Mayers with Keller Williams Realty, your go-to real estate expert here in Central Oregon. Every week, folks just like you get in touch with me for help buying, selling, or making the big move to this beautiful region. I'd love to hear about your specific needs and discuss how we can make your transition as smooth as possible. Feel free to call me directly or use any of the contact options below. I'm here to help and excited to be part of your journey to Central Oregon. But for now, let's get to it. So, what is going on in the housing market that makes finding a replacement property much easier than a couple of years ago? Let's break it down. First off, it's the current market opportunities. As we start the new year, inventory is moving and more options are becoming available. By acting now and beginning your property search, you will avoid the potential of limited choices later, like in the spring when the market gets busier. If you are thinking you do not have the resources to make the move, remember, as a seller, you have lots of benefits of home ownership to tap into and leverage. One is the equity you built over the years or sales proceeds when you sell. According to real estate site CoreLogic, persistent home price growth has continued to fuel home equity gains for existing homeowners who now average about $315,000 in equity. Maybe you are an empty nester looking to downsize, or your family is growing and you need a bigger space. You can use that leverage to buy your replacement property that is better suited for your current lifestyle. Don't let hesitation cost you the perfect opportunity. Let the current market conditions plus your equity move you into the ideal replacement property. And remember, you always want an experienced agent by your side. Reach out to me today. Let me help you make a plan, find your perfect property, and start building your future today. Remember, real estate remains the best investment over time while giving you the lifestyle you desire. Let's make it happen. Give me a call today. I'm Julie Mayers with Keller Williams Realty.